Happy morning, kutties. Good morning to all. Today we will see first standard mathematics book. In first topic is comparison in geometry. What is called comparison? Comparison is something when I am comparing two different objects. For example, I have two houses. First house, this is tall, and another one house short. This house is red color, another house is white color. This is comparison. And another example, I have two scales. First scale is steel scale and tall, and another scale is plastic. This is short. So this is comparing. Okay, what do you understand? When I am comparing two different objects, this is comparison. Okay, do you understand? Okay, students, now shall we begin our classes? Yes, I will sing a small poem. Okay, see here. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Curl, 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 curl under the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Come, 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 come near the board. Play, 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 play outside the class. See the picture? Inside classroom. And jump. 3 boys. Curl under the table. Go far from the table. Come near the board. Play outside the classes. Okay, students? Repeat my words. Okay? And singing a song. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Curl, 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 curl under the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Come, 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 come near the board. Play, 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 play outside the class. Okay, children, do you understand? Today you will learn new words. Okay, keywords. Listen here. Keywords. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. Spell of top. T-O-P. Top. What is mean by top? Top means position where something is placed above the ground. Ground means floor. Top is something which is kept above. Next, opposite word. Top, opposite word. Bottom. Bottom is something which is kept below. For example, the scale is on the book. The scale is top and bottom. The scale is under my hand. This is bottom. Something which is kept below. The scale below my hand. This is bottom. The scale on my hand, above my hand. So this is top. Do you understand, children? Today you will learn many new words. Okay. First one, top, bottom. How to spell of top? T-O-P. Top. How to spell of bottom? B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. And inside. Inside the classroom. Outside the classroom. Inside, opposite word, outside. Inside, spelling of inside, I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. Outside, O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. I-N-S-I-D-E. Side. Inside. O-U-T. Out. S-I-D-E. Side. Outside. And third one, on. Opposite word, under. Spell of on. O-N. On. Spell of under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Fourth one, above. How to spell of above? A-B-O-V-E. Above. Opposite word of above, below. B-E-L-O-W. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Fifth one, near. Near, opposite word, far. N-E-A-R. Near. Opposite word of near, far. F-A-R. Far. Big. Big, opposite word, small. B-I-G. Big. Spell of big, B-I-G. Big. And small, S-M-A-L-L. Small. Do you understand, children? Today you will learn many more words. Okay, listen here. Inside, on, under, far, near, outside. Okay, children? Do you understand this class? Okay. Next class, we will go to top and bottom. Okay, finished. Today, this class finished. We will go to next class tomorrow. Okay, children? Thank you.